How to use tax savings to buy a plane this year. Hi, I'm Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. How would you like to buy this new 202 mile per hour 916 RG Bristell and use $160,000 of tax savings? Here are the details. The U.S. government is allowing 100% depreciation of a new business asset. You need to use it in a business to get this tax deduction. If you do not have an aviation business, we can create an aviation business for you. When you buy a new Bristell, we will lease it from you for $500 per month, and you will occasionally take a prospective buyer for a demo flight in your Bristell. If he or she buys, you will receive a commission. You are now in the aviation business and eligible to lower your taxes with the 100% depreciation rule. A new 202 mile per hour Bristell is about $400,000. If you have over $400,000 of income, you can get a $400,000 deduction on your tax return. If you are in the 40% federal and state tax bracket, you will have a $160,000 tax savings. The $160,000 you save in taxes can be used towards buying a new or used Bristell. To get the 100% depreciation, you will need to take delivery of a Bristell before the end of the year. When you order a new Bristell, it typically takes 13 months to have the plane registered in the USA. We anticipated this situation and ordered 6 top-of-the-line Bristells that will all arrive before December 2026. Be one of the lucky 6 Bristell buyers in 2026 that can take advantage of this opportunity to use tax savings to help you buy a new Bristell. You can see our inventory at www.sportflyingusa.com. If you act soon, you can change our specs to meet your dream specifications regarding paint scheme, interior, and avionics. If you have any questions, please call me on my cell phone, 516-658-1847, or email me, loumancuso at loumancuso@aol.com. Most of our planes are hangared at KSEF Sebring Regional Airport in Sebring, Florida. This is where you will get your training before taking delivery of our new Bristell. So that's Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. Fly with limitations and stay safe. Our safety protocols are available for free at www.thelandingdoctor.com. So, Lou Mancuso, fly with limitations and stay safe.